Hello guys, welcome back to Good Travel Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix the issue on the Plague. A Plague Tale Requiem is having the issue for the Xbox users, and we're going to talk about how we can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So if you're having the Xbox Game Pass users and you're having the trouble, then this is what you have to do. So the first one is all about you have to make sure the date, time zone and regions are all correct. For that, you just have to go over here on the search, navigate to settings, go to time and language. From here, select date and time. Make sure this is being set into automatic. Set time zone automatic is being set. Sync is active. And also you have to make sure they are correct. Simultaneously, if you go back, you have to select the language and region. Make sure the language is United States or English. That is your preferred thing. What is it that what you have to select, and also it is all being set, and the country or region is being set into your respective country. And if you're from India, you can set accordingly, and if you're from United States, you can set accordingly. And this is what you have to make sure as the first step. If it is all good, then just try to launch. Sometimes it may not be correct, so that's why you're having the trouble. Try with after setting this up all. Even after trying this, if it's still not working, the next is all about you have to make sure that you're logged in on both Microsoft Store and Xbox app on the same account. That is, if you open your Microsoft Store, that should be of the same email ID with the same password that should be opened on your Xbox app, or else you'll be having the trouble. So that is what you have to do, and you have to make sure they are signed with the same account, or else you have to sign out and you have to sign in back, and you have to see whether you are able to fix the issue or not. Even after trying this, if it's still not working, the next is all about you have to verify the game files. For that, you just have to open your Xbox. Now from here, as you can see, these are the available games right now. So I'm having the game on Steam, but here as you can see, these are the available games. So if you wanted to verify the integrity of game files over here, just follow the instruction. Select the Plague. Now you just have to click on three-dot menu over here. Now just go for manage. Now from here, navigate to files. And over here there is an option called verify and repair. Go for it and go for yes. So what happens is, if any files are corrupted, they will be fixing by default, and you just have to don't worry on this. And once it is done, try to launch it. It's gonna take a little bit of time. As you can see, that is around 3.4 GB, so you just have to wait for the complete process. And once it is done, just try to launch the game, and most probably this has to be fixed. And even after trying this, if it's still not working, the next is all about you have to create a shortcut and launch the game as an administrator. For example, as you can see, I'm having the launcher over here as well as thing. So you have to do is you just have to create a shortcut on the desktop. Right now I have created a shortcut, and I just have to go over here, and as you can see, this is the shortcut. So I have to right click, I have to click on run as administrator, and I have to launch the game. And most probably after trying this might be working out. But even after trying this, if it's still not working, the next is all about you have to uninstall and reinstall the game back. So you can do that even in the Xbox. You can do that from here itself. You can go for over here, there is an option called uninstall. Simultaneously you can go for it. Hence it is getting verified. We can't do with this. So I'll show an example. This you just have to select the game Plague. Then you just have to, in your case, don't get confused what I'm showing here. In your case, this will be Plague. I'm not having the game, but my game is on Steam, so that's why I'm not having the game here. So click on three-dot menu, go for uninstall the game, and that is what you have to do. Moving to the next one is all about you have to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, you just have to go over here, search for graphics settings. Now from here, what you have to do is you just have to browse and navigate where the game is installed. You have to add it here. Once the game is installed, you'll be getting an option like this. From here, you have to just click over here and go for options and set into high performance. And once that, try to launch the game on the, most probably that might be working out. Even after trying this, if it's still not working, the next is all about you have to make sure that there is no updates are pending on your Microsoft Store. Okay, so you just have to go over here on the library, and you have to make sure that if you're having any kind of updates and all those things, you just go for get updates and update everything. And most probably regarding this, after trying all these things, the issue has to be fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye. Peace out.